This is the 3-minute review brought to you by MB EDC. Let's not waste any more time, let's get to it. The Hannon lightweight foldable utility knife. It's really cheap to buy, but it could end up costing you dear. I don't recommend that you buy this. Stick around and find out why. This is the packaging it comes in. You can see it's a blister pack. I bought this in the UK shop called Poundland. It was only £1.50. That's only just over $1, and if it works well, it could be a great bargain. Let's take a look and see. Opening the pack, you can see there's a knife, there's some blades as well. The knife looks pretty much like any other folding utility knife. It's not particularly well constructed, but it doesn't look too bad. It's got a decent lock when it's in this position. You can see it's a back lock, so pushing on that means it folds up. It's got a pocket clip. Yeah, it's not too bad. It opens up really easy though, so there's no lock when you open it. It took a while to work out how to take the blade out, but there we go. It has a guard on it. You probably don't need that all the time. Putting it back in is quite a thin slip for it to go into, and it just took a little bit to get the lock to engage. So I was a little bit concerned about that. With a push, and then it's in. And then to close it, let's take the guard off. To close it, you just push. This is my main problem with this knife. Whilst it has a lock to keep it open, there's no lock to keep it closed. So with the pocket clip and it in your pocket, particularly if it's in a trouser pocket, it's going to come open very easily. Also, you can see the build quality here. I'm just going to put the guard on because I don't want to take a finger off. To be fair, the blade is sharp, but if you look at the build quality here, these are quite thin, not strong plastic scales. They're not like some of the other knives, definitely not like the Milwaukee. I think it's a sort of a poor copy of that, but I'd be really concerned that as this loosens up, it's going to come open in your pocket. With a tip down carry, it would be very easy for it to just slice through your pocket lining and into your leg. Here are the blades. I think this is one of the best thing about this knife. So for the just over $1, at least you get some blades with it, and the case that the blades come in could be quite useful for blades or for something else. Please don't buy this knife. It won't last long and it's positively dangerous. It's better to spend more money on something like a Milwaukee Fastback or a traditional Stanley knife. If you haven't already, why not subscribe? It really helps me to know that I'm making the right sort of content. I've got loads more already. Why not check out this video or this playlist? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.